Hi there, Cindy from Cynthia's Boutique. We're going to talk about washing our wonderful leggings because leggings are one of our staples in our wardrobe. And if you're like most of us, you don't check labels. You just grab your darks, your colors, your lights, and you throw them in the washer. Well, one of the things about leggings is they are nothing if they aren't attractive, functional, and comfortable. And you don't want to get little holes. You don't want to get the elasticity worn out where they don't fit right. That would be not pretty. So we're going to talk to you about the proper way to wash all leggings. And this goes also for your workout gear because, again, you want to extend the life. One thing that you have to do is always read the label. A lot of us will just take our darks, we'll take our lights or our brights, and we throw them in the washer. A lot of people don't realize that if you don't have a bag, which is this great little laundry bag, you can get holes and little tears in your leggings and your stretchable fabrics due to bras, or just a zipper can actually put a hole in your legging. These little laundry bags came in, and one of the gals said that they're really, really good. I haven't tried ours yet, but supposedly they're top notch. You don't want to ever use bleach. Now, a lot of people don't realize that some of your laundry detergent contains bleach. Now, if you want them faded or broken down, then don't check your laundry detergent. Go ahead and use bleach. Otherwise, you need to never use bleach. Use a woolite or something that is softer on your fabrics. The other thing is never use hot water. Hot water actually breaks down the tissue in your leggings. Well, it's not really tissue, it's fiber. But don't ever dry your leggings. Hang them because, again, it warps the fibers and they'll break down. Another thing about washing your fine washables, your workout wear, and your leggings is that you never use fabric softener. Fabric softener has silicone. It takes the breathability out of your leggings. So here's just some points for you. Make sure you don't dry them. Make sure that you don't use hot water. Make sure you never use bleach, and always read the label. That way your leggings will stay looking new and crisp and feeling good all the time. Thanks.